No, a fly died in my eye once.
Yeah, that's a thing.
I'm Natalia.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Jasmine.
And we're playing I Have Never.
I have never. Okay, I have never forgotten my lines.
Oh Lord.
Okay,
That is an absolute lie.
I have never played a prank on set. I don't know, you know.
What pranks have you
I
played on
can't
set?
tell you guys when you know it's me.
What have you done? What have you been up to, Natalia?
Just swapped a few things around.
I have never lied to any of my castmates. Not even with the prank. You guys
Yeah,
are great.
exactly.
I didn't like the prank, you guys just didn't know it happened.
I have never eaten food off the floor.
Oh, I mean,
Like 5-second rule though, if it drops and like you can count to 5, it's
I
fine.
mean,
isn't it?
I'm not ashamed. I have never broken a bone. What did you break?
Oh wait, I have never. I fractured.
I
my-
have a broken toe right now.
Yeah, it's gross.
The whole of this this filming period, I've had a broken toe.
There you go.
Fun
That's a
fact.
secret.
I have never cheated on a test.
I did just change it. Yeah.
What did you cheat on?
I don't know, I just know that I probably have at some point in my life.
Okay.
I have never eaten an insect.
Oh yeah.
Accidentally.
Yeah, not just playing.
Mine was on purpose.
Why would you do it?
How did you accidentally eat
Like
an
when you
insect?
go, and then like you inhale a fly. You know when there's a fly?
I've done that actually. No, a fly died in my eye once.
Yeah, that's a thing.
It was really awful. I was really traumatized by the experience. It like flew into my eye and then I was like, get it out. And then it kind of just, I'd rather not talk about the rest of the story.
I have never cut my own hair.
Oh.
Yeah.
All okay?
Yep.
I have never broken something and kept it a secret.
Surely.
Probably.
Definitely.
Okay, I have never forgotten someone's birthday. And I have never lied about my age.
You've never?
Why would I lie about my
I don't know,
age?
it's fun to be like, yeah, I'm actually like 45. See what they say.
I don't think I'd pass a 45.
I don't think you would either. Top banana.
Top banana.